Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Good morning. So say good morning. Give me the hanger. I want to hang. Oh, shh. Give me the hanger. Give me the hanger. See, I wanted to hang clothes. So look at him playing with hanger. Do you want to enjoy yourself? Let me have them. Thank you. Thank you, son. Come. Come and say good morning. Come. Come. Good morning. Did you say good morning? So we just woke up and yeah, we want to show you mommy's birthday gift, right? Wait, sorry. Let me clean it. Let me clean your face. He wants to play around like everywhere. My son is all over. Hey, if you cry, they will laugh you. If you cry, they will laugh you. Don't cry. No crying. No crying. Remove your hand from your mouth. Remove your hand. Don't care. Shh, 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 shh. So we want to show you my birthday gift. Yay! Yay! We got our birthday gift. Let's go outside. Let's go show them. We go do yay. We go do yay. Come and do yay. Enter the video now and do yay. We want to show them our birthday gift. Come here. Come and do yay. 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 So I'm so excited to be alive today. I'm so happy. I have many gifts. Yes. So I'm so excited, honestly. I can't just thank God enough. You know, last time when I came back to Nigeria, I stayed a couple of months here. Me and Road, every time I go out, it wasn't easy for me. So yes, it wasn't easy for me. And our daddy said, no more suffering, no more crying. Yes, so we have something to move around. What matter? Yeah, do your own. Do your own. There's something my son normally do. He doesn't want to do it now. Do it now. Do for me now. Whoa. Look at him laughing. He knows what I'm talking about. You want to sleep? You want to sleep, morning sleep? You want to sleep? Yay! He wants to sleep, oh. Okay, sleep. Let me go and wash. So I'm about to do our laundry this morning. Say hello. Yeah, today is Saturday. Hey, yo. I'm washing already. I will show you when I go outside to show you our gift. So he wants to sleep back. He has already eaten this morning. Yes, my son sleeps in the night. No disturbance till morning. Yeah. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, let's go. Let me carry you up. Whoa. You're dragging my hair. You're dragging my hair out. Ash! I'll make another hair. You give me money. You're dragging my hair. You're dragging my hair. No. Look at your teeth. No. Let me go and spread this ones. Oh. Hold it. Oh yeah, show them. Ten, 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 ten. Don't put it in your mouth. I know where you're setting it. Ten, 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 ten. Hey. So we'll see something to be moving around with, right? Hey, you're no longer. We are car owners. Tell them. We are car owners. Tell them on the phone. Tell them we are car owners. Oh, yeah, come, let's go open it. Let's go show them. Let's go now. I'll open it myself. Can you open? Woo! See our clothes there. Hey, yeah. 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 Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey merendiza, hey ya, hey ya, kenke, hey ya, kenke, hey ya, hey, ndelelelelelelelelele, hey ya. No, don't sit on the floor. Wait, you're going to present. Wait, son. Watch here. Say hello. Yes. Show them. Show them. Look at you. Can you open the door? Hey ya. Hey. Oh, yeah, come. Stand up. This is your work. La. Hey. God, thank you. So, I'm done washing this morning. Yeah, the sun is already coming out. Yeah, we'll go outside. We'll go inside and take our shower. My son is licking sand. Don't lick sand. I know. It's your duty as a baby to lick sand, but you must not lick sand. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Stand. Come. You don't want to stand because you want to lick sand. See? You rush and put it in your mouth. You rush and put sand in your mouth. Look at him. He's stepping. Okay? Oh yeah, come. Walk down here. No. You stand up and walk. Okay, so we are done washing. We'll go inside and take our shower. This one picked sand, and I don't know. You don't always come outside. So who taught you how to lick sand? That time I was small, I licked sand there. My son is doing the same thing. Licking sand. We're gonna open the car. Yep. This is our cool. This is it. In case you see us inside this car, this is our Lexus. Yeah, very portable. That will fit my son and I. Yes, very, very portable. Yes, God, thank you for this miracle. Please thank God for me in the comment section. Tell God thank you for us. God have done so well. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, we decided to come and show you our miracle, our gift. Oh yeah, come, let's enter inside. Come now. Love it. Your umbrella, cover your no jidaya. Oh yeah, come, let's go. Let me go and buy your hair care things. Come.